turn left into the drive test center here. What I want to do is I want to start you off from the road test center,
Right.
as though we're beginning right from here. So we're going to go right down to the end of the building, and we'll turn left. So you'll be starting from like one of these parking spaces,
Yeah.
maybe one of these white signs over here.
Okay.
I'm taking you on one of the routes I've seen them go on for the last maybe 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
Yeah. There's a few other routes I've seen them on.
Yeah.
But we'll do this one. And then a right turn onto the roadway, please. They say please a lot. They don't say anything at all, just assume they want you to go straight. We'll do the same thing. It's not the traffic lights ahead. We're going to make a left turn, and they leave it up to you when to make your lane change. Left turn at the lights, please. They always repeat it just a couple of times, so they're sure that you hear them. First roadway, left turn, please. Just a little bit up the road here. We're just going to pull it over safely to the right side of the road and stop without putting it in park. So keeping it in drive.